Hello, Jim from TechBuzz, new product in, and it's the EMEET all-in-one USB webcam, which goes under the name the C980. Now, there is two models available if you're looking for one, and you've got the Pro plus the tripod. So we have the Pro here actually. So you can see you've got 4 mics, 2 speakers, 1080p HD. On the back, you've got a 4 mic array, 2 speakers, crystal clear clarity, and high compatibility. So let's take it out of the box and have a look and see what it's all about. Webcams are still fairly popular, even post-COVID, by the looks of things. So be sure to check out the few that we have up on site, because we have a good few up there now. And just trying to find where this box actually opens. So here we go. So we get a presentation there. Thank you for choosing EMEET. So first up, you're going to get some booklets, which is nice. You get a nice bag as well, drawstring bag to put it in if not in use, which is pretty nice. You don't see that every day. So hats off for that. Also, you get the unit, and it's a big chunky unit as well. So you see you've got, I presume this will be a lens cap, yeah, and it's kind of magnetized into place there, as you can see, which is pretty cool. So we'll pull off this tape here, and you can see on the front there 1080p webcam, HD lens, and EMEET ink. So that's what it looks like up close there. So it's a pretty nice looking but rather large sized webcam, but you've got this lens cap, which I like, which just held on, but you've also got a string keeping it there so you're not going to lose it like some webcams have. So that's pretty nice. So you can see here how it will mount, and you've also got a tripod option here too, so you don't actually have to stick this on top of your PC, but you can if you like, and you can have it beside you as well on a tripod, as some people do. So we're going to connect it up and see how it looks and performs. So you've got a professional speakerphone built in, which is really nice, with duplex. Full duplex ensures two-way audio, so when both parties are speaking, everything is clear. You've got 2 professional 85 decibel speakers, which is really nice. It's a simple plug and play, and as you can see, it is micro or your standard USB-A, which is nice. So that's pretty cool. You've got your 1080p full HD camera with 90 degrees field of view as well, and you've got visual optimization with auto light correction, which is pretty good. So we're going to get it connected up and show you what it looks like and see the quality with this in use, and one with a standard webcam on either of one of the laptops I choose to use it on. As you all know, they're pretty crap, most of them anyway, on your laptops these days. So let's get it connected up and we'll talk some more. So this is an example now what it looks like on my standard definition webcam built in onto my Chromebook, for example. So this is just a template to give you an idea of what it will look like when we compare it now to the next video, when you'll see it connected to the camera itself, and that's what's going to come up next. So you can pause this and then check it out after the break. And just for clarification purposes, you can see we're connected to our default system here, and that will not change when you pop in the webcam itself. So just to give you some clarity, and you'll see for yourself that we're same also up with the internal mic. We have got some mute there. We've got our same system here for your speaker and all that kind of stuff. So we'll continue on and show you some more after this. Okay, so we have it connected up now. So down here on the bottom left, you can see that, just to show you, up on top is the camera there. And if you go down here, you can see that we're on the video here, we're just using the front camera. So if we swap over, you can see the difference there, and it's a big difference. And then you'll also see a blue light come on the webcam up on top, but it's a much better quick picture. It's brighter, it's clear. I don't know how it's going to come across on the phone, but it's a lot better. So if we go down here and show you back to the front camera, you can see how it works, and you can also see me recording it, which I'm going to have to do to show you how it does work, so just to give you a clear idea of what we're doing. You can also see here, you can switch from the audio, from the internal mic and all that kind of stuff, and that's what we're going to try and give you now. Next is a sample. So back on to the main product in view here, and you can see the difference here. It's a lot clearer for me, but how it's going to come across on video is another thing, or maybe I'll try and get them separately recorded, downloaded separate files. But pretty good, pretty nice, much better picture from my end, and the same on a phone or another PC which we have running next to us here. So this is what it's going to sound like coming from the speaker on the EMEET all-in-one USB webcam with 4 mics, 2 speakers and 1080p. So that's how it's going to sound. That's what the product looks like. It's pretty good. Great picture clarity as well, and all in all, pretty good setup. So that's it now for techbuzzlearn.com. We'll see you in the next video. And we'll talk to you soon, folks, in the next video.